Welcome to the Art of Animation Resort, everyone, and welcome back to Cam's Travels. Emily and I are doing a staycation here at the Art of Animation Resort tonight. We're going to show you around all the different things you can do at this resort. Going to go have a relaxing day at the pool and just have an amazing time while showing you guys one of the best value resorts here at Walt Disney World. So here is the front of the resort, everyone, with the port of cashier, where you can pull up and go right into the lobby to check in if you haven't done the online check-in. And then out here in the front is the different paintings of the different characters: Lightning McQueen, Ariel, Finding Nemo, and all the way over there Simba from Lion King. Now these different paintings represent the different areas of the resort that you can see, all the different themed areas. We will be staying in the Little Mermaid area, but we will be going around showing you Cars, Finding Nemo, and Lion King. Now to the left of these paintings is where you pick up the buses to go to the theme parks. Now, in order to get to Hollywood Studios or Epcot, you have to take the Disney Skyliner, which I will show you guys a little bit later. But in the morning, they do run buses to Epcot and Hollywood Studios because the Skyliner does get backed up. So here it is. If you come out either right up the lobby or right here in this entrance, is where you can find the buses to the theme park. Well, everyone, we have made it to our room here at the Art of Animation Resort, room 8537 here on the first floor. Let's take a look. Here is the standard room, everyone, here in the Little Mermaid section of Art of Animation Resort. A little nice and cute room here. Let's take a look around at some of the details. Here are two queen beds with seashells behind them. And as you can see in the back, high-fiving each other, Flounder and Sebastian. Just like most of the Disney resorts, down below the bed is where you are going to be able to store your luggage while you are vacationing here. I know it's hard to see, but here in the middle is a little middle side table here with the resort phone, as well as a plug-in for your phones or any other devices you have. And the really nice thing at this resort, they have the USB plugins for your devices, just in case you forget the cube. Over to the left of the bed on the wall is a picture of Prince Eric, Scuttles, and Max, his dog. Now the cool thing about it is this picture is at a weird kind of angle, which is really cool theming here in the room. In front of the beds here is a little desk where you can put things on, but one of the really cool things about this desk here is the original score from the Under the Sea song from the Little Mermaid movie, and the chairs are little seashells. And then just above it is a mirror here. Hello, everyone, with the different fish from the movie, and the lights are seashells as well. And just like in every Disney resort, you have your flat screen TV, and on the screen right now is the theme park hours scrolling through. Currently, we're checking out the Epcot park hours. Now from there is the dresser here with your drawers that you can put different things in. And here they have a coffee maker with some creamer, coffee, and tea, as well as cups, the sanitized remote here in this packaging, just like they do at every resort, with the cleaned sticker on it, a bucket and cups for drinks and ice, and more outlets, especially those USB ones, which do come in handy because I tend to forget my cube a lot. And as the dresser might look like it has all drawers here, this opens up to become a mini fridge, which is really nice in case you bring food or drinks here while you're on vacation. Now I'm making my way to the bathroom, and here is a curtain separating the bedroom from the bathroom themed to the Little Mermaid. Here is the bathroom with the circular mirror in the middle, the sink, you have the little rack for your luggage, an iron, an extra pillow and a blanket, some extra towels, hangers if you do want to hang your clothes while here on vacation, and a safe that is on the wall. Now here in this mirror, if y'all can see, the light fixtures are different types of shells, which is a really cool detail, and as well looks like there's a big shell surrounding the mirror. In this cubby below the sink, they do have a blow dryer here in case you forget yours at home, as well as some facial soap from the H2O beauty line here at Disney, as well as some extra hand towels. And now let's make our way to the bathroom. So when you first walk into the bathroom, You just have a normal toilet, like all resorts, with some towels here. But as you make your way to the right, the shower curtain has Ariel on it with all of her jewels and statues. And then when you open it up, it is a continuation of all of her jewels and her collective items that she has deep beneath the sea. They also have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash from the H2O beauty line, and it is cleaned and sanitized with the plastic covering on it. And if you were to close the bathroom door, here's a giant mirror to look at yourself before you leave for the parks. And just as you leave the bathroom, off to the right on the wall is a little coat, jacket, or bag hanger here in the shape of an octopus. Well, everyone, that is a quick little tour here of the standard room here in the Little Mermaid section of Art of Animation. Some really cool details in this room. But now it is time to go show you guys the rest of the resort here. Go get a bite to eat and go hang out and relax by the pool here. So let's go have an awesome time. Now we are on the first floor, so we don't have much of a view, but you do get some spectacular views here if you are in some of the other areas of the resort, which we're going to go check out right now. So there's nothing like coming back from a long day at the theme parks, relaxing in your room here at your Walt Disney World Resort, kicking back and turning on the TV. Now I know we all used to love and watch Stacy doing the must-dos here at Walt Disney World, but unfortunately she has now been taken away from us, so it's time to find something new to watch. And for right now, we're just scrolling through the park hours and listening to the music. Hopefully they bring that back or bring something new that's sort of the same. Welcome to the main lobby, everyone. Now here in the Art of Animation lobby, you can see all the different designs from different characters of Pixar and classic Disney movies. And as you keep walking down this hall here, you can see the pictures get better and better until they're in their final form, which I will show you all at the end. So you can see some of the first sketches of the Little Mermaid. And as we make our way down, like I was saying, you will see the final product like they used in the movies. Over to the left is the check-in area where you check in to your rooms. Look how cool this lobby is. One of my favorite lobbies here at Walt Disney World. So we've moved a little bit farther down the wall. As you can see, the sketches are getting a little bit more to the final product. As you can see, Little Mermaid, Tow Mater, Nemo, hyenas from The Lion King. And we've made it to the end of the wall here in the lobby where you can see the sketches are in their final form, ready to be put into the movie. It's really cool. There's Nemo, Timon and Pumbaa, the Cars from Cars, Sebastian. Some really cool paintings here in the main lobby. Here in the main lobby, they also have signage telling you all the different recreation experiences, the 3 different pools with the pool hours, recreation beyond the pool. They have Mickey tie-dye, and then movie Under the Stars. Every night they have a different movie, and tonight is Alice in Wonderland, Thursday night. Towards the back of the main lobby, everyone, there's a really cool chandelier here with some sketches from different movies, Cars, Finding Nemo, really cool ones here, but it's a really cool chandelier that sits here in the back of the lobby. Here is the doors that take you to the different transportation to the theme parks, but to the right of that is these really cool walls with some more sketches from classic Disney movies. Now you have the ink and paint shop, which is your quick service restaurant, as well as the gift shop here at the Art of Animation Resort. We will go in there in a little bit to check it out, and then obviously over to the right you have more of those paintings. We are now inside the ink and paint shop here, which is the gift shop here at Art of Animation Resort, and we have found some of the brand new wishables here at Walt Disney World. Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout, which is a ride over at Disneyland. So I think Emily is going to get herself one. I might even get one.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Alright. I have found the exclusive Art of Animation Resort merchandise. Here is the pen that shows the different sections of the resort. This pen is a silver pen, which goes for, it does not tell me.
$9.99 right here.
Oh, $9.99. We have the resort exclusive mugs here with the different sections on it as well. This goes for $13.99. An Art of Animation Resort keychain, $9.99 as well. An Art of Animation Resort hat, which goes for $27.99. A hoodie, a t-shirt for kids, and then another t-shirt for kids right here. And obviously it can't be a Disney gift shop without all the Disney plushes in the back. They do have the Disney, how do you pronounce these? Numos? Whatever, Disney Numos with your classic Disney characters, and now introducing Winnie the Pooh and Friends. And because this is a Disney Skyliner resort, they do have exclusive Disney Skyliner merch. They have this Disney Skyliner Funko Pop, which has this, and then if y'all can see right there, Mickey is popping out just like he is here in this picture. Pretty cool. This Funko Pop, for all you Funko Pop fans, goes for $39.99. Here is There's Magic in the Air Disney Skyliner t-shirt, Travel the World Disney Skyliner t-shirt, some Disney Skyliner pens, Skyliner socks, a Skyliner tumbler, ornaments, and coffee mugs. Right next to the ink and paint shop is the Pixel Play Arcade. Now, unfortunately, due to COVID, it is closed, but I do have some fun memories here in the Disney arcades when I would come visit. I would love to go in there, but unfortunately, it is closed. Now, if you all do not know about these things, these fuel rods literally have saved my life many, many times. It is a one-time $30 fee. Portable charger comes with the cords, and when your portable charger dies, if you're in Disney, instead of trying to plug it in somewhere, you just drop it in here, and it spits out a brand new fully charged portable charger. Literally $30 for the rest of your life, and that's it. One-time fee. Literally saved me so many times, and I recommend this 1,000%. All right, everyone, we have now walked outside of the lobby, and here is the main pool here at the Art of Animation Resort, the big blue pool. Let's take a look. As you can see, this area is themed towards Nemo. Now, a fun fact about the big blue pool here at the Art of Animation Resort, it is the biggest pool here on Walt Disney World property. So there is a little fact for you right there. We will definitely be going back to the big blue pool later, but now let's take a walk around the resort to show you all the different areas here at Art of Animation, first being Radiator Springs. Welcome to Radiator Springs, everyone. Here is the Cars Land section of the resort, as you are greeted here with Doc down here on Route 66. Let's head back in. Here is Flo here, and I can't remember his name, right in front of the Cozy Cone Motel, which if we walk right through here is the Cars pool. Let's go have a look. To the right of the Cozy Cone Motel is Tow Mater Towing and Salvage, and there is Mr. Tow Mater himself. And to the left, Luigi's Casa della Tires. Kind of feels like I'm in California Adventure at Cars Land now. Not necessarily the same thing, but it's as close as we can get for right now. I only wish that inside of here they sold some mac and cheese cones. Alright, Walt Disney World, if you're watching, why don't you start selling mac and cheese cones here at the Art of Animation Resort? I'd be here every day. I literally would eat lunch here every day. So yeah, maybe keep that in mind, because that would be awesome. Here is the Cozy Cone pool, everyone. Now each cone is a little cabana that you can just go inside. You don't have to rent it. It's free of charge, but they are really cool. Yeah, and the pool's in the shape of a rainbow here in Radiator Springs. Here is Fillmore's Organic Fuel with the old Volkswagen van. And here is the main man himself, Mr. Lightning McQueen, here behind the Cozy Cone pool in the back of the resort. Also next to the pool is Sarge's Surplus Hut. And if we walk around this area right here, here is Sarge. Now, the Cozy Cone pool here at Art of Animation Resort is a very tiny pool, as you all can see, because the main pool is the big blue pool over at the lobby of the resort. But it still is a very, very nice pool here at Radiator Springs. We are now back by the big blue pool here in the Finding Nemo area. There's Nemo and his dad, and there's Crush way back there. Really, really cool. Also, if I zoom in really close, you can see Dory is with Crush. And here is a little playground for kids with Squirt that has slides. Now there's currently work being done on that slide, but you can go around, go inside, and there's other slides that come down on the other side. But a pretty cool area here for the little ones. Seeing Rafiki can only mean one thing. We have made it to the Lion King area. Sitting atop of Pride Rock is Mufasa. The three best friends, Timon, Pumbaa, and Simba, walking across the log. We've made it to the hyena section here, which only can mean Scar is sitting over here to the left. Hello there, Scar. And as we walk out of the Lion King area, here is Zazu. Under the sea we go, as we have made it into the Little Mermaid area here at Art of Animation. As we walk in, we pass a dingle hopper, a pipe, a treasure chest, and then a statue of Prince Eric. There is the huge statue of King Triton, and then across the way is the massive statue of Ursula. And then here we have Sebastian. And then the back of the Little Mermaid area, we find Ariel and Flounder. And it looks like Ariel is getting some work done on her hair, as there's a bunch of construction going on to her statue. We are now here at the pool, everyone, the big blue pool, and we are at the pool bar called the Drop Off, about to get some drinks. All right, everyone, I got the fish tank, which is Svedka vodka, blue curacao, and coconut rum, with some gummy fish and nerds down at the bottom. Let's give it a taste. Spilled out my shirt. Wow, that is very, very good. You really taste the candy in it. You really, really taste the candy. And really refreshing. So if you're here at Art of Animation, make sure to get the fish tank. Emily, you got the pina colada, Emily?
No, it's not a colada. It's a colava.
Oh, pina colada.
Yeah, that's because it's like has...
Oh, the red stuff in it.
seed.
Gotcha, colava, okay.
Oh, it's good. You can taste like the pineapple in it from the pina colada, but like I think it's raspberry.
Oh, nice.
Good.
Recommend?
Mm-hmm.
So we are now back from the pool, everyone. Such a relaxing afternoon. We're actually going to relax here in the room for a little bit before we head to the parks. We had an amazing stay, or having an amazing stay here at the Art of Animation Resort. This is my first time ever staying here. I've been here a bunch, my first time ever staying here. But I do want to say one thing. Art of Animation is a value resort, but is basically in a different price range than all the other value resorts, because this value resort offers suites. So if you are bringing your family here and need more than 2 beds, I would recommend staying here at Art of Animation, because they do include some suites. But if you are fine with just 2 beds, honestly, I would look into some moderate resorts, as you can get a little bit more bang for your buck there at the moderate resorts. But we are still having a fantastic stay here in the Little Mermaid suite. So if you all enjoy this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new here, and ring that bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, let me know what you want me to do my next staycation. Let me know down below in the comments, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.